Hi, this video will show you how to make a phone call from your ASNSPARK CRM. So there are lots of different ways you can accomplish this, but the easiest way is to go right up here to this little phone right here and click on it. And when you click on it, you can decide which phone number it's going to come from. So most of these are labeled. The phone numbers are labeled with, ASN marketing or something else. Maybe it's a PPC ad phone number. So you can decide which phone number you want to use and which phone number will show up as caller ID. So then you just put in some cases, you're going to need to put the 1 in. Whoops, this is going to do it for me. So I'm going to do 6, 1, 6, 1, 8, 2, 3, 3, 1, 5. Now, if I wanted to, I could go right here. It would open up all my contacts, which I have about 1 million of them. And if I wanted to call Debbie Kelly, I could just click on Debbie Kelly and hit go. Bing. But I'm not going to do that because she's not expecting my call. So I'm going to go back to the dial pad, and I'm just going to enter the number 618-223-3151. And I'm going to hit call. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Now, this is my husband, and he is not going to know this is me. Maybe he's just going to ignore it. I don't know. He probably is ignoring it because he doesn't know. All right, hold on. Wow. Like, when is this voicemail going to pick up? Dang. All right, let's try this. Click. Okay, so he didn't pick up. He's probably like, who the heck is that? It's so much more fun when he does. Anyway, that's how you make a call. If you are in a contact, let's say, see there's C. Witzel. So we're going to click on, this is Charlie again. I'm going to make that go away. And I'm in his account here. So if I wanted to dial his number, I could just copy it. And I could go here and paste the phone number in. And I could dial it. You can also do this from your mobile device. We have mobile apps where you can also call from the mobile app. I'm not sure how effective it is or how it sounds, but you can also do it from your mobile app. I think he's probably going to get aggravated, so I'll quit calling him now. That's how you make a call from the CRM. It will be recorded. So if you use the CRM to make outbound calls, those calls will be recorded. Please know that. And they will be available if the person picks up. You can see outbound call. There will be a little player bar here where you can listen to that entire call. All right. Thanks. Hope that helps you make phone calls from the CRM.